This is my rifle, they gave it to me. Said it would help me be all I could be. Left foot, right foot, I try to keep time. They say I get better if I just keep in line. I'm doing my best, sir, I'm learning it slow. Sometimes I forget things I already know, but I'll keep on trying, I won't let you down. Just tell me the way and I'll follow it now. This is my rifle, I hold it just right. I sleep with it close, I keep it in sight. They say it's my partner, my reason, my name. If I do it perfect, they won't call me names. The others don't like me, I know that it's true. I hear how they whisper when drills are all through. But maybe tomorrow I'll finally fit, if I just do everything just like they said. If I fix the problem, then I'm not to blame. If I am the problem, I can change, I can change. This is my rifle, this is my song. This is the place where I finally belong. This is the voice that lives in my head, telling me softly I'm better off dead. This is my body, this is my breath, marching in time to the rhythm of death. Say it together, don't think, just commit. Sir, I am in a world of shit. In a world of shit. This is my rifle, she's talking to me. Says I'm exactly who I'm meant to be. No more confusion, no more delay. Everything's clear now, I'm finally okay. I don't feel heavy, I don't feel slow, I don't hear laughing wherever I go. They make me sharper, they make me fit. I am exactly what they wanted. Hush now, don't make a sound. Everything's quiet now. Good, now you did it right. Everything's clean tonight. This is my rifle, this is my name. This is the end of the feeling of shame. This is the moment they wanted to see. This is what happens when you fix me. This is my body, this is my breath. Nothing is left now but perfect